guys, today we're making Portugal noodles. So let's start making this tree. Now two. Now go to this corner, make a tree. Now go up three and a two and another four like that. Now a two. Make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make a two. Another two at the top. Now make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go up 1. Now make a 4. Look at 3. Make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at 2. Now make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a 2. Make a 3. Make another 3. Make another 3. Now make a 2. Now up a 2 and a 3. Okay? Sorry, but it's night time. Sorry, sleep there. So that's done. Yun lang.
At himpapawid ng buong rehiyon. Dito nakalagay noon ang mga radar, lookout
Ulam.
stations at kung kinakailangan, anti-aircraft artillery. Ang mga bunker ay literal na isiniksik sa gilid ng mga bato. Kaya halos imposibleng makita mula sa lahat. Ang ilan ay may tagong lagusan, makikitid na daanan at glass doors na nagtatago sa kanilang presensya. Bagamat hindi nakitigma ang Switzerland mula pa noong 19th century, wala pa rin silang depensahan ng kanilang teritoryo sa magkaroon ng gera o nuclear conflict. Kaya ginawa nilang self-sufficient ang mga pasilidad ng sariling generators, water reserves at food storage. Pagkatapos ng Cold War, maraming bunkers ang isinara, pero may ilan pa rin nananatiling operational. Noong early 2000s, bahagi ng mga ito ay ibinenta sa civilian sector o ginawa ng historical sites. Sa katunayan, malapit sa mga bunker ay ang sikat na revolving restaurant.
Gonna see you guys in a bit. And bye bye guys.